Can you understand this story? Stay until the end to test yourself.
Maria was cleaning her apartment on a Saturday morning. She found an old photo album in a box under her bed. She sat down on the floor and opened it. The photos were from her university years. She smiled as she looked at the happy faces. One photo caught her attention. It was a picture of her and her best friend Anna. They were standing in front of the library, laughing. Maria remembered that day clearly. It was after their last exam of the year. She and Anna had been inseparable during university. They studied together, ate together, and laughed together. But after graduation, their lives went in different directions. Anna moved to another city for work. Maria stayed in their hometown and started teaching. At first, they called each other every week. Then it became once a month. Eventually, they lost contact completely. Maria looked at the photo and felt sad. She missed her friend very much. I should try to find her, Maria thought. She picked up her phone and searched for Anna on social media. After a few minutes, she found Anna's profile. Anna looked happy in her photos. Maria hesitated for a moment. Will she remember me? She wondered. She decided to send a message anyway. Hi Anna. It's Maria from university. I found our old photos today. She pressed send and waited nervously. An hour passed with no response. Maria tried to continue cleaning, but she kept checking her phone. Then, suddenly, her phone made a sound. Anna had replied. Maria. I can't believe it's you. I think about you often. Maria's heart filled with joy. They started exchanging messages quickly. Anna told Maria about her job and her new home. Maria shared stories about her students. They talked for hours through messages. It felt like no time had passed at all. Then Anna had an idea. I'm coming to visit my parents next weekend. We should meet. Maria was so excited. Yes. Let's have coffee at our old favorite cafe, she wrote. The next Saturday arrived quickly. Maria woke up early and chose her outfit carefully. She was nervous but also very happy. She arrived at the cafe 15 minutes early. She ordered a coffee and sat by the window. Then she saw Anna walking through the door. Anna looked different but still the same. Her hair was shorter, and she wore glasses now. But her smile was exactly as Maria remembered. Maria. Anna called out and ran to hug her. They held each other for a long moment. I missed you so much, Maria said with tears in her eyes. I missed you too, Anna replied. They sat down together and ordered more coffee. The conversation flowed easily, just like old times. They talked about their memories, their jobs, and their dreams. Hours passed without them noticing. When it was time to leave, they made a promise. Let's never lose contact again, Anna said. I promise, Maria agreed with a smile. They hugged one more time before saying goodbye. Maria walked home feeling grateful. That old photo album had given her a precious gift. It brought her best friend back into her life. From that day on, Maria and Anna talked every week. They visited each other often and created new memories together. Their friendship was stronger than ever before. Sometimes the best things in life are waiting to be found again.
Learn with LingoStories.app.